So the hotel owner told me that if I wanna go somewhere, I have to tell them, I have to inform them. All the hotels here daw are like that. What time you will go, where you will go, what time you will come back. For security reasons, I need to tell them that. Sadar Bazaar.
Sadar Bazaar.
300? Okay, sure.
300.
Okay. Kuya, ito yung gusto ko ma-experience. Matagal na. Like the tuk-tuk here, I want this. Bye-bye, thank you. Nakakasagala to. Gusto ko to. I like this. Okay, let's do this, everybody. I'm inside the tuk-tuk. We're gonna go to Sadar Bazaar. But okay, I'm gonna show you the tuk-tuk. I'm excited. Okay, everybody. So it's gonna be like the driver said it's gonna be 300. And he's not lying because I already asked the owner like how much it will cost me to go to Sadar Bazaar. Nay, China, nay. Hoy, I'm finally doing my first ride of tuk-tuk here. Yun mo, oh. Mukhang tanga.